Hello students, let's continue the effects of using IT. In the previous video, we have discussed about effects of IT on employment. In this video, we will discuss about effects of IT on working patterns within an organization. So, what is basically working pattern? The introduction of IT or ICT in the workplaces has allowed employees to work a more flexible time rather than a traditional office hours of 9 to 5. Main types of employee working patterns are part-time, compressed hours, flexible working and job share. So what is the difference between all these patterns? Let's discuss. In part-time, works less hours over a week than a full-time employee. May work on the weekends or evening. Part-time means, for example, you have a full-time job, let's suppose 9 to 5 or any traditional job, but in the evening you are giving 2 hours or 3 hours to any other job also. So you are doing it part-time, not a full-time job. Okay. Next is compressed hours. Complete their number of working hours. Increase hours per day to reduce the number of days. For example, if you have to work 8 hours per day and 5 days a week, what you do, instead of 8 hours, you are doing 10 days per day and 4 days a week. So you have reduced one day but increased the number of working hours per day. That is your compressed hours. Third one is flexible working hours. Doing the job at the time that suits the worker, not typical working hours, either in the evening, either on weekends or the night. It depends upon you, whatever the time that suits on you. For example, online jobs, so you can do at any time. So this is your flexible working hours. The last one is job share. Job share, full-time job that is divided between two part-time employees. Same job, same responsibility, but done by two persons. For example, one in the morning or other in the evening. Let's suppose the job of watchman, full-time job, for example, 24 hours, but what you are doing, 12 hours one person, 12 hours second person. Same job, same responsibility. Or even you can divide the hours in a day, or even you can divide the number of days. For example, 1 week job, 2.5, one person can do, 2.5 another person can do. So you are just sharing your job to do. That is the effect of IT on working patterns. So that is more flexible nowadays. That is all for this effects. Thank you very much for listening.